Alright, scrappers, Virginia here. So now we're going to go over a couple different types of boards that you're going to come across when scrapping. We're going to start off with the higher priced items. We're going to start off here with a hard drive. So a lot of times we say that you can actually take this entire hard drive and scrap it as is, but a lot of people, if they have a lot of them, like to take these boards off. These boards here are going to be worth some of the higher priced boards when you're scrapping e-waste, basically because they have the most gold content in them. So if you are going to pop these off, there's usually a couple screws that are on the corners that you can just take it right out with a power drill, and you'll be able to scrap those and collect those separately. Moving on to some motherboards that we have here. These two types of boards are both going to be worth more money. They're going to be around a motherboard price because of the amount of gold contacts that are in them and to the ratio of amount of plastic. So if you take this first one, for example, those different contacts are all gold in there. Same thing with these here. So inside of each of these contacts, there are some gold. If you flip it over, there's actually going to be some more gold contacts on the other side. So even though it looks like there's a lot of plastic here, there's enough gold here to make this a higher priced item and close to a motherboard price. Over here, we have a motherboard price here that has everything stripped off, and we've showed you that in other videos. You know, the CPU chip is taken out, the aluminum heat sinks are all taken off. So these are also going to be worth a higher priced item for boards because of the gold contacts. All of these contacts here have gold inside. All of these here, that's where you'd store your RAM memory. So all of that is all going to have different gold contacts that are going to make the board worth more money. Moving on to some lower priced items, these low grade boards aren't going to be priced nearly as much as a higher grade like a motherboard or a hard drive, basically due to the fact that they have a lot less gold inside of them and they're a lot more plastic. If you take a look, there's not too much gold contacts that you can see through here. A lot of these little things that you're going to see here that make it look like it's a little city are actually capacitors. So those aren't going to really be too many, there's not going to be too much gold on these boards here, and a lot of it is going to be plastic. Therefore, the price will be a lot lower. This large black thing here, which is actually a capacitor, you may initially think that that's a type of transformer or something, but check, because sometimes these have PCBs inside, which are harmful to the environment, and you don't want to release those types of fluids that are inside. So just check with your scrapyard or leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you out. So if you have any other questions about the types of boards that you can scrap, always be sure to comment below or just ask us at info@iscrapapp.com. Thanks for watching.